I'm going to show you how to factor this polynomial using the x method. So our goal for this is to eventually reach something like x plus blank times x plus blank. And how I start off the problem is I'm going to label my coefficients. So here in front of x squared we see no number, but it's actually an invisible 1. So this one I'm going to label A. Here we also have another invisible 1. So -1 I'm going to label B. And then here under -20 I'm going to label C. Now I'm going off to the side, I'm going to draw a big X. Up here I'm going to write AC, A times C. Down here I'm going to write B. So in this case, A times C is 1 times -20, so I'll draw -20 in here. And then B is, in this case, is -1. Now I want, on the left and the right, I need to fill in these blanks. And I need a pair of numbers that multiply out to -20 and that add up to -1. So how I find this pair of factors for -20 is I can draw a factor table for +20. So draw 20 and draw a t underneath. And then on the left side, I'm just going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then add more numbers if we need them. On the right side, so I'm going to think 1 times what equals 20? Well, 1 times 20 equals 20, so write 20 here. Then I think 2 times what equals 20? Well, 2 times 10 equals 20, so I'll draw 10 here. Then for 3 doesn't work because 3 times nothing equals 20, so I could scratch 3 out. Now here 4 and 5 make 20, here 5 and 4 make 20, but then 5 and 4 is the same pair as 4 and 5, so I can scratch out 5 and 4 and then end my table at 4 and 5. Now, so AC was -20. So that means I need to choose a factor pair for +20. I'll make one of them negative, one of them positive, so that they multiply to -20 and add up to -1. Well, if I choose 4 and 5, and I choose -5 and +4, that will add up to -1. So here, I'm going to write -5 and +4. And those two numbers are exactly what go in my blanks here. So I'll write -5 here and +4 here. And then we can rewrite this as x minus 5 times x plus 4, and that is our solution.